Hey guys, Mr. Mini Painter here and welcome to my channel. Just a short video to show you what I'm working on now. I'm unboxing this Warriors of Carn Dûm kit, which contains 6 warriors to put in your Carn Dûm army. I have painted one of the leaders, Oldrag, before, and I'm going to show you later in this channel how to paint these guys. Now, assembling these guys is a lot of fun because there are some different options to choose from, so you can either give them spears or maces, you can choose to have a banner bearer or not, to even make a captain. So many options. As always, this box is nicely taped shut. I'm opening it here, nearly cutting myself, no worries, I try to be safe. So as always, a Forge World check, and let's look at some of those parts. Now they're very neatly numbered, A, B, C, D, E, and F. There are some different antlers to put on the helmets, so you can make your own models here. As I said before, there are some maces and spears. You can choose to give them either of those 2 weapons. And so many options to choose from and really personalize your army here. Some spears here, they need some cleaning up. And that's fun, because if you were to buy, for example, 2 kits of these Warriors of Carn Dûm, you could have 12 completely different warriors. So it's a lot of fun to play around a little bit with this. There's some shields here. Now, in a future tutorial coming very soon, I am painting these guys just to show you the color schemes I used and see if it's of any help to you guys. But of course, the miniature could vary from the one that you built, but you get the idea, I think, because the parts are more or less the same. 6 different bodies here. You can give them unique poses, different arms, different, well, not heads, the heads are fixed, but the antlers you can choose. So you can really make them your own. And that's what I love about these, like, let's call them the new type kits, that you can kind of experiment with how to put it together and you have some alternatives to choose from. So I spray painted all of the minis. I assembled them, of course. I give them a black base coat and try to apply some zenithal highlighting here by using some gray sear to go over it. And it makes it a lot easier when painting to decide where the shade would normally be. So that part you can choose to give a darker look. Of course, it also helps when your undercoat is darker than your paints would appear a little bit darker than, for example, a bright undercoat. So for me, I don't always do it, but it helps in this process. Now, if you are interested in a paint guide on these guys, make sure to follow the channel, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll keep you posted on future videos. And I'm going to show you how I painted these lot. And of course, here you have to have a banner bearer. I love painting banner bearers, and I'm going to show you how I painted this one as well. So I hope to see you in one of my next videos. And for now, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.